Hi, I'm Sam Calvert. I'm an attorney here in St. Cloud, central Minnesota area. Many clients want to know more about the benefits and drawbacks of filing bankruptcy, so that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. Bankruptcy offers many benefits, but it's not without some drawbacks. Most people who are overwhelmed with debt will find the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Let's begin with the benefits. Number one, bankruptcy stops collection efforts. After you file, your creditors and debt collectors receive a notice from the court. This notice, called the automatic stay, tells them to halt all contact and collection actions. The harassing phone calls, the letters, the court proceedings, the garnishments will cease. Number two, bankruptcy eliminates unsecured debts. Most people are pushed into bankruptcy by credit card debt and medical bills. Bankruptcy will eliminate these and most other unsecured debts. Number three, bankruptcy preserves your property. In Chapter 7, bankruptcy, exemptions protect your property from creditors. You keep the necessities you need to maintain a modest lifestyle. Most people go through bankruptcy without losing any of their property. In Chapter 13, bankruptcy, you keep all your property, but you must repay at least some of your debts by following a 3 to 5 year repayment plan. Number four, bankruptcy delays or prevents foreclosure and repossession. If you're facing a home foreclosure or vehicle repossession, Chapter 7 bankruptcy can buy you some time. The automatic stay delays foreclosure and repossession. This is a temporary stop. If you want to keep your home or vehicle, Chapter 13 is the better choice. In Chapter 13, you catch up with missed payments over the term of your repayment plan while continuing to make current payments. When bankruptcy ends, your loan is up to date and your lender cannot take your bankruptcy. Number five, bankruptcy gives you a fresh start. If you're mired in debt, you probably think of little else. You may feel anxious and depressed. Your marriage and family relationships may be deteriorating. Bankruptcy will lift this weight from your shoulders so you can enjoy life again. When your bankruptcy is over, you can spend your money on food, clothes, rent, and other necessities for your family rather than interest, late fees, and penalties. You can begin moving forward instead of sliding backward financially and emotionally under a crushing debt load. Now, the drawbacks. Number one, bankruptcy will temporarily damage your credit. Bankruptcy stays on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. It will make buying a home, getting a loan, or obtaining a credit card at favorable interest rates difficult for several years. However, if you follow a plan for rebuilding your credit score can bounce back to a decent number in 18 months or so, and it can be in strong territory after 24 months. The key to success is showing you can handle credit responsibly. Number two, you can lose some property to creditors. If you file under Chapter 7, your bankruptcy trustee can seize your non-exempt property and sell it to pay your creditors. Luxury items beyond what you need to fulfill basic needs are sometimes non-exempt. If you have much non-exempt property, you should consider filing under Chapter 13 so you can keep it. Number three, bankruptcy does not eliminate all debts. As a matter of public policy, bankruptcy law makes some debts non-dischargeable. The most common of these are delinquent alimony, child support, and income taxes incurred in the last 3 years. Student loans can rarely be discharged. To recap, on the plus side, bankruptcy immediately stops collection efforts, eliminates credit card, medical, and other unsecured debt, allows you to keep most or all of your property, delays or prevents foreclosure and vehicle repossession, gets you out of debt, and gives you a fresh start. But your credit will take a hit for a couple of years. You could lose some non-exempt property to creditors. Some debts like child support and taxes and student loans cannot be eliminated. I'm happy to discuss your situation. You can call me at 320-252-4473.